Hi guys, and thank you for watching this episode of Cooking with Benoit. Today I'm willing to eat vitamin C. Vitamin C is great against many diseases. Infections like cold, cancer, cardiovascular diseases. It also makes the brain work better. And you need to stay alert and smart, right? The daily intake of vitamin C should be 90 mg per day in America or 110 mg per day in Europe. You'll find vitamin C in foods such as blackcurrant, raw bell peppers, mostly red and yellow, green too, but less, kale, broccoli, kiwis, Brussels sprouts. I see you frown over there. Brussels sprouts are good for you. And believe it or not, stinging nettles. Stinging nettles will give you 333 mg of vitamin C per 100 grams of nettles. That's a lot. Nettles have also tons of iron, folic acid, potassium, chlorophyll, and whatnot. It's almost too good to be true. What it is! So where do you find stinging nettles? In the street. In order to get stinging nettles here in my kitchen, I will need scissors, a pair of gloves, and a bag. Let's go! When you manipulate nettles, use gloves like this, or they'll sting you hard. Well, that's the price to pay for free vitamin C.
Putting the gloves on because I don't want to be stung by the nettles. Of course, needless to say, you need to wash everything. It's outside and it's in the street of Paris. I don't have to draw a picture, right? But I don't have to take everything because we can come back and take more, you know? I got stung. I got stung. Go. See what you want. What you want to take is the small leaves here, because these are very big and I mean these are full of fibers. Okay, we got a bunch. So now we're going home, clean it up, and prepare it for infusion and food. Let's go.
First, wash them thoroughly in clear water 2 or 3 times. I use a basin like this. Then I drain them with a sieve. Second, I'll remove best leaves from the stems and set them aside in a large saucepan such as this one. Smaller leaves are more tender and less fibrous. Third, pour hot water from a kettle on the leaves. Cover with a lid and let it infuse for 15 to 20 minutes. This takes away the stinging stuff. Fourth, pick leaves out with a skimmer to drain and blend them with food processor. Keep the infusion water in the saucepan for later use, like beverage or cooking water for rice, pasta. Or add it to your nettle puree for extra cooking. pretty much like spinach, so you can eat it as a side dish with rice, in a stew, a soup, whatever you like really. You'll keep it for a week in the fridge in a sealed container. I hope you enjoy watching this video, so please give us a thumb up and show your support. Also, you may want to comment and let me know what you think about this content. Maybe you know other sources of vitamin C you pretty like or recommend. I'm very interested in that, so let me know in the comments below. Please subscribe to the Cooking with Benoit channel to be notified about all our new videos. It helps us a lot, so thank you very much for your help. In the meantime, merci, au revoir, et à bientôt.